Good morning, everyone. I just want to share some tips on sewing knit fabrics. By that I mean stretchy fabrics. The first thing I always do is change my needle if the needle I have is not for stretchy fabric or cannot sew stretchy fabrics. So I usually change my needle, and this is the needle I use for all my fabrics. Actually, this sews any kind of fabric, stretchy, and this particular one has been on here for over a month. Pardon me. You're supposed to change your needle frequently, but this, I'm being sincere now, it's been here for over a month. It's not bent. It's not because it's an original needle. It's Grotz, and it's made in Germany, so it's an imported one. So it's very strong and good. Excuse me. So I changed my needle, and it comes in different sizes. This is size 12, 11, 9, then 14, 16, 18, 25, 21, depending on the fabric or thickness of fabric you're stitching. So I have a size 12 on my machine at the moment, so I'll just take this away, and this is the fabric I will be sewing. I have before you start sewing your actual fashion fabric, you should always sew a piece of that fabric you're sewing. Not just, for instance, you want to sew a knit fabric and you want to test run your machine and you're using a cotton fabric. No, you have to use a piece from the fabric you want to sew and run your machine through the fabric. And as you can see, the stitches are fine, so I'm good to go. It's not skipping. Okay, it's blue, so let's see if it will. Okay, can you see the stitches now? They're fine, and I'm okay with that. I've also set my stitch length to 3, so it's fine. Also, I have released this knob on here. It's a tension that controls the rod that holds the foot of your foot actually. So if you release it, like now I have set it to what I need. If I screw it down, the presser foot presses your fabric pieces and hold them together for you so that you can sew. Now it depends on the type of fabric you're sewing. For instance, I'm about to sew a knit fabric, and I don't need it. I need my fabric pieces to come together at the end of my, at the end of seaming them together. I don't want one to be longer than the other, so I have released the pressure the rod is applying. It's going to apply on my fabric. That way I would have a smooth run. Let me see if I can just show you what I mean. So this goes on here. So this will go smoothly, and it's not, can you see, it's not making my fabric to fold. And also, when you're sewing, you should just use your finger to lay your fabric well, front and back, and sew accordingly. Okay, so that's that. So I'm good to go with the tension, with the stitches, with my needle. On my fabrics, I have notched and I've pinned them together. Balance marks are very, very important when we are sewing our fabric pieces together. So you should always create 2 or 3 balance marks on your fabric pieces. See, I've done about 3 on this particular one. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3 on both fabric pieces. And I have, because this is a stretchy fabric, I will advise you to always hold with pins, and as you sew, use your fingers to guide your sewing, so that at the end of the day you have a well sewn garment. Okay, that's it. And make sure you use polyester threads are the best. Get a good one. Thin one are always the best. So I think that's that on the tips I have for you today. Do have a good day. Happy sewing. Bye.